Hello!
Hey.
Hello! This
Is
the sentence
game.
we're Laura,
Kayla,
Kelsey. Today
we
will be
discussing.
inspirational things.
Okay.
So, we've
Come.
to find
That
America's youth
are
inspired by
pole
dancing monkeys,
monkeys
eat poop
and
bananas. America
needs
monkeys. Monkeys. America
needs
monkeys. Exactly.
That's
Why zoos
are
now
free to
the public. Yay!
Yay!
We
hope
you enjoyed
our
inspirational
information. Oh.
Yay!